Hey there, Christopher. This is Eric over at Toyota of Melbourne. I wanted to just put together a quick video for you on this 2011 Jeep Wrangler. It does have the larger Moto Metal wheels and tires. And this is a soft top, 2-door, automatic transmission. It does have Bluetooth and voice command, as well as the pairing for the phone. Your power windows, door locks, cruise and tilt. Nice little Jeep Wrangler. Very clean. It's about to go through my detail department, but I wanted to at least put together a little up-close personal video on this. 321-254-8888, extension 274 is my number. Again, my name is Eric. Love to be able to help you out with this. Give me a call.